You now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, weather is a short-term atmospheric conditions and it keeps on changing after 2 to 3 months. And in my country, Pakistan, we have a variety of seasons like spring, autumn, summer and winter. But in all these seasons, different types of fruits and vegetables and crops are born and they are cut. So people they make money by these vegetables, fruits and crops. All the seasons, all 4 seasons have their own impact on the people because in summer it's a hot season and people likes light colored cotton cloths, and in winter when it is very cold, people likes woolen and hot cloths and dark
Okay,
colored
thank you.
cloths.
Listen, you're speaking irrelevant to the topic. The topic is describe weather and you're talking about season. Season is not the weather. Weather is related to a day. Sunny day, rainy day, cloudy day. That's the weather. Season is spring, summer, winter and all that, right?
Yes.
So your understanding of the topic should be clear, the first thing. Second, you have grammatical errors. You just need to overcome those. The basic sentence structure of present simple tense should be very clear to you, right? That is
Okay.
important.
Okay.
Now you should know the difference between weather and season.
Yes.
Now we go on speaking part 3. Where do people get weather news?
Often people get news about weather on televisions, and now also mobile phones have some apps. They can show us the weather condition.
Does weather affect your job?
Yes, of course, weather affects our job because I always go out for work and I check the weather on my mobile phone. If it is cloudy or rain is expected, then I prepare myself for that.
What do
So-
you do when it is your favorite weather?
Yes, whenever I get some favorite weather, then I go out for drinking some coffee or enjoying some pizza or something else. Outdoor activities are increased whenever I got some.
Okay, that's
My
great. Thank you
favorite
very
weather.
much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test.